So Yelp and OpenAI have recently announced a partnership where OpenAI will be able to use the content from Yelp profiles, things like your photos, your reviews, your descriptions, and use that in terms of their results, their search results. And why that is important is because people are increasingly using AI search tools to find local cleaning businesses online. So if you have a good Yelp profile and lots of reviews, in theory, you're more likely to get recommended by AI search tools. So in today's video, I want to take you through 5 key things that we need to be aware of with this announcement and how we can leverage it to make sure that we are being recommended by these AI search tools. So first of all, why is this important for your cleaning business? So as I said, in 2026, people are using AI search tools like ChatGPT increasingly to find local services online. And this is certainly the case with local cleaning business as well. So people will go to ChatGPT and type in, give me 5 recommendations for cleaning companies in my area, and ChatGPT will publish a list of companies, and you want to become one of those cleaning companies that is being recommended by AI search. So with this announcement saying that Yelp is becoming more important, this is why we need to start putting a bit more emphasis in terms of what's on our Yelp profile, beefing up the profile, adding more photos, making sure we're getting reviews, because this will help with our AI search visibility. So secondly, what happened with Yelp over the years? So even, I would say 10 years ago, Yelp was probably as important as Google in terms of, having a good Yelp presence, a good Yelp profile was extremely important to get cleaning clients online for your business. But over the years, it's become certainly less and less effective. There are a number of reasons for that. One of them was that, genuine reviews on Yelp were starting to disappear, and they were taking genuine reviews down, and it just became a much less effective tool. It was very, very important. And prior to this announcement, I would always tell people, yes, have a Yelp profile, put some reviews on there. But with this announcement, we need to be thinking about Yelp in with a lot more focus, having a much more active strategy in terms of optimizing our Yelp profile and building on content and adding reviews in there as well. So third of all, Google became king. And this was why over the years, Yelp was becoming much less effective. So if we look at page 1 on Google and how that has evolved over the years, early on we'd have some Google ads at the top, and then it's straight to the organic search results. And Yelp would often be quite high up there. So if someone had gone to Google and typed in best house cleaning businesses in San Francisco, one of the highest results on those organic search engine results pages would have been the Yelp profile. But over the years, Google has pushed those organic search engine results further down page 1 on Google. So it introduced Google local search ads, relatively recently at the top of the page. So we'd have the local search results at the top, we'd have the Google ads, and then it also put greater prominence in terms of the Google business profiles and the Google Maps listing. So as you know, we go to Google on page 1, type in house cleaning businesses, San Francisco, and a large chunk of the page is dedicated to the 3 Google business profiles and the map section. So what we found is over the years, these organic search engine results where Google is taking specific pages from the web is getting pushed further and further down. So the prominence of those Yelp pages was getting pushed much further down the page. So over the years, when I've been running marketing campaigns for cleaning businesses, I've been telling people you want to shift more of your focus to Google. And that is certainly what we were doing with the clients that we're working with. So with this announcement, what we are finding, and this goes on to number 4, is that we need to be having a lot more active focus in terms of AI search results. Because in 2026, people are using AI search tools like ChatGPT and Claude to find local services online. And as I said, this is what we do with the cleaning businesses we work with. We're trying to figure out that mix of getting great page 1 on Google visibility, as well as AI search visibility as well. So I'll leave a link in the description for those interested. So having good local SEO is really, really important for AI search, because when we think about how AI is putting these recommendations for cleaning companies in their results, they are borrowing information all across the web. So they are borrowing heavily from your Google business profile. They're looking, do you have lots of good reviews? They're looking at your website. Do you have a website that has, specific service pages and location pages? Is it, do you have backlinks to your website? These are all like votes of confidence that Google and AI will look to when thinking about which cleaning companies to recommend. But with this announcement about Yelp, AI is now also looking at your Google profiles, but they're also looking at Yelp. So we need to make sure that we are putting a bit more focus on our Yelp profile and really thinking about our Google business profile and our Yelp profile in more similar terms. Thinking about adding new photos, maxing out our description fields with the services that we provide and the locations we provide it, and making sure that we're just not primarily focusing on getting Google reviews from our clients, but also diverting them to Yelp as well. So this is why AI search is becoming more important with Yelp. We need to make sure that we are getting good visibility with AI search by having a good Yelp profile as well. So in my next video, I'm going to talk about more generally, how do we get recommended by AI search? We talked about getting a good Yelp profile, and I touched on why a good local SEO strategy and having an optimized Google business profile is important to getting recommended as well. But there are a whole host of other things that we need to be doing to maximize our chances of getting recommended by these AI search tools. So this is what I'm going to talk about in this next video. So I'll see you there.